Hello guys, if your TikToks are stuck at 0 views and no matter what you post, nothing happens, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the most common mistakes that are killing your reach and stopping TikTok from even pushing your content. Most people don't realize they're doing these wrong. Let's get into it. Issue number 1. Your account is too new or inactive. TikTok doesn't fully trust brand new or inactive accounts right away. If you just created your account, or you post once and disappear for weeks, TikTok won't push your videos. They want consistency and regular activity. In order to fix this, post consistently, interact with other creators, watch videos, comment, and warm up your account for a few days before expecting views. Issue number 2, you're reposting content from other platforms. If you're uploading recycled content, especially videos with visible watermarks from other apps, TikTok may limit distribution. They prioritize native, original content made for the platform. In order to fix this, upload original videos whenever possible or edit your content specifically for TikTok so it feels fresh and platform native. Issue number 3. Your first 1 to 2 seconds are boring. TikTok decides whether to keep pushing your video based on early watch time and retention. If people scroll instantly, your video stops getting shown. In order to fix this, start with a strong hook. A question, bold statement, movement, or big on-screen text that stops the scroll. Example, your TikToks are stuck at 0 views because of this. Issue number 4, you're using irrelevant hashtags. Random or overly broad hashtags confuse TikTok's algorithm about who your content is for. If TikTok can't categorize your video, it won't know who to show it to. In order to fix this, use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags that match your niche and the specific topic of the video. Focus on clarity over quantity. Issue number 5, low quality or recycled content. Blurry visuals, poor lighting, bad audio, or repeatedly reposted videos can hurt distribution. TikTok favors clear, engaging, high-quality content. In order to fix this, film vertically, use good lighting, clear audio, and keep your content fresh instead of reposting the same clips. Issue number 6, you're posting with 0 early engagement. TikTok tests your video with small audiences first. If nobody watches, likes, comments, or finishes the video early on, TikTok stops pushing it. In order to fix this, be active before and after posting. Reply to comments quickly, encourage interaction in your captions, and stay engaged with your niche community. If your TikToks are stuck at 0 views, it's almost always one of these mistakes. Fix these, stay consistent, and your videos will start getting traction. If this helped you, like the video, follow for more TikTok growth tips, and comment TikTok if you want more strategies. See you in the next one.